Well, hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. You guys know this song, yeah? Because it feels you're softly creeping, left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a streetlight. I turned my collar to the cold and down, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, and it split the night and touched the sound of silence. A fool said you do not know silence like a cancer grows. Well, hear my words and I might teach you, touch my hand, I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrops, they fell, and echoed in the world. Silence, silence.